Good morning, kids. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Today, we will start our new chapter, that is chapter number 6, and the name of the chapter is WH Words. Firstly, I would start with new topic, that is WH questions. Well, what are WH questions? So, the questions which are asked to get a specific response or to derive certain information. Or WH question is, in other words, if you want to get some information about someone or something, you always have to ask a WH questions. So what kind of WH questions are there? The first one is the question when. The question when is always asked when you want to know the time of a particular event. So whenever you want to know the particular thing occurs, then you ask the question when. For example, you could say when is the meeting, or you could say when is the next class, and so on. Now next word is where. This talks about place, and whenever you want to know place, so you always use WH question where. So I could say where is your school. Then you have a question called who. This is always to know about a person or people. So you use the question who when you are talking about a singular person or people, which would be the plural form of a person. The singular form of a question who is a person and a plural form of person is people. So I could say who are they? So I am talking about people, the plural. If I could say who is he or who is she, that then I talk about a singular person. Our next question is the question why. When do I use why? A lot of times we need to get a reason as to why something happened, and that is when you use the word why. So I could say, why is she always late? Always reason is behind the word why. Our next WH question is what. Now the question what always denotes or gives you information about an object, an idea, and an action. So let's deal with each of these parts at a time. So if I am talking about an object, I could say what is she doing or what is she eating. When we are talking about specific thing that a person is doing, so it could be an object or an action. Or I could say what is the plan, then I talk about an idea. And at last, WH question which. A very important WH question because it talks about things in particular. So I could say which subject do you take this year? So I want to get information about things, or we get information about things when we ask a question start with a which. Now this is also the brief way of WH questions. You use what to ask about things. You use where to ask about place. You use why to ask about a reason. You use how to ask about manner. Or you use who to ask about a person or a people. These are also the examples of this WH questions. Children, you can see it properly and use it. Now come to your chapter. Kids, these are also a kind of examples of WH questions. So let's start our chapter. Firstly, when did you come? I came just before you. What was your mother doing when you came in? When I came in, she was in the kitchen. Where were the children when the doorbell rang? When the doorbell rang, all the children were playing in the living room. What were the children doing when the principal entered the class? When the principal entered the class, all the children were talking. What were you doing when the teacher entered the class? When the teacher entered the class, I was reading a book. Where were you when the light went off? When the light went off, I was in my study room. What was everyone doing when the thief broke into your house? When the thief broke into my house, everyone was fast asleep. What did you do when it started raining? When it started raining, I opened my umbrella. What happened when the dog saw the cat? When the dog saw the cat, it started barking. When does your mother carry her bag? Whenever my mother goes for shopping, she carries her bag. When do children make a noise in class? Whenever the teacher goes out of the class, the children start making a noise. When do you sing songs? Whenever I am happy, I sing songs. When do you pray to God? I pray to God in the morning. When do you study hard? Whenever there are exams, I study hard. What happens when you go to a birthday party? When I go to a birthday party, I have a great time. What happens when you don't complete your homework? When I don't complete my homework, my teacher scolds me. So children, at last, as a homework, you have to make 2 sentences of each of the given words. That is, when, where, who, why, what and which. Okay, in your copy. And then show it to me. Okay, thank you.